Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode from Crazy Gamer. Today in this video we will be learning how to log out of Bleach Brave Souls application. To log out of Bleach Brave Souls, launch open the Bleach Brave Souls app on your device and wait for the main menu to load. Once you're in this screen, go ahead and tap on the gear button at the top right corner. Within the settings menu, tap on Data Link. You will then be able to see the services that you've linked with on the screen. Simply tap on the Cancel Data Link button right next to one of these services. Since I've logged in with KLab ID, it is showing me to cancel data link right next to KLab ID. Simply tap on that and then click on OK, and this will sign you out of your account. So that's how you easily log out of Bleach Brave Souls on your mobile device. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next episode. Thank you for watching.